Hello all you math people, this is Mr. Ellison again. Welcome you back to another episode of Math Minute. Now today what we're going to do in our math tutorial is we're going to talk about unit rate. Now when we talk about unit rate, we're talking about single units, okay? For instance, if I go into the grocery store and I buy 12 balloons for $1, what it's really asking is, if I want to find the unit rate for each balloon, I have to find the rate for one, okay? Or in other words, let's just say I go into a party store and I buy balloons for a birthday party and it's 10 balloons for $1. When I find unit rate for the individual balloons, I find the rate for how much one of them is going to cost, okay? Now, I know every one of you guys have been into the checkout line and the impulse buys that are up front before you check out. Got candy and toys and all kinds of crazy stuff. And 3 candy bars for $1. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to use an example. We're going to use candy bars. Now, okay? Now, it says 5 candy bars for $3.78. Now, we know that 5 costs $3.78, but to find unit rate, we want to find out how much one of them costs, okay? So, we're going to take our 5 candy bars, and we're going to divide out $3.78 into equal units, okay? So that we know how much each unit is going to cost. So we've got our $3.78 and we're going to find our unit rate. So we're going to see 5, does it go into 3? It doesn't go into it, so because 5 is too big. So we'll put a big fat goose egg or a 0 over the 3. Now we're going to put our decimal here. A 0 in front of the decimal means that it's going to be a price that's less than $1. So we're going to go 5 goes into 37. 5 goes into 37 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Leaves us with the remainder of 28. Now, 5 goes into 28 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. With the remainder of 3. But we want to try to get a remainder of 0 and then round to the nearest hundredth, since dollars are in hundredths. So we want to round to the nearest hundredth. So 5 goes into, we'll bring a 0 for a placeholder and bring it down, and 5 goes into 30 6 times. Now this would look kind of silly if we just left it like that as a dollar amount. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that 6 and we're going to either round up or down with this 5. Or round up or keep it at 75 cents, okay? Now this number right here, if it's 5 or greater, we're going to round the 5 up to a 6. If it's 5 or less, if it's less than 5, then we're going to leave it at 75 cents. We see it's a 6, so we're going to get rid of our 6, and we're going to move the 75 upward to 76 cents. So the unit rate for one of those candy bars is 76 cents a piece. This is how you find unit rate. Now, I'm glad that I was able to come over here and help you guys out with unit rate. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. If you have any questions, just feel free to call me, or feel free to text me or email me at mrellisonsasic.blogspot.com. And those of y'all who know me personally, if you have my number, feel free to call me or text me anytime, and I will answer back. But I just want to tell you guys, it was fun. I'll see you later. Until we meet again.